my dear friends, welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwat, and this is the Beginner's Guide Part 6, in which we will explore the arrange section in our Google Drawing. With this point, we will move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use order, align, distribute, center of the page, rotate, group and ungroup function in our arrange section in our Google Drawing. Now let's go into the Google Drawing and see how every point work in detail. Now we are in our Google Drawing. In previous videos, we have discussed about file section, edit section, view section, insert section, and format section. And if you haven't watched those videos, kindly watch them. You will learn a lot about in detail in Google Drawing. Now we will talk about the arrange section. When you click on arrange section and if you haven't selected anything, you will see there is no option that will open up. You won't be able to see anything. But to open all these options, you have to click and you have to click certain things, then only you will be able to see the section in our arrange. So now let's see how we can open the order section. To open the order section, now you have to click on this text box. Anything you want to do, that completely depends on you what you want to do. Now let me explain the order section. Now when I click on it, you will see order section is now open. You can see bring to front or bring forward. Now you can see what I have written is just forward on our text box. Now if I want to make this box forward and want to send this text backward, then in that case I will use order section, bring to the font. Now you will see it is actually now front. Now because you can see now the arrow actually goes to the back side of this. So this is how you can see. Now when I click on, now you will see the arrow is actually on the back. When I click on the arrow and now bring forward, now you will see the arrow came forward. So this is how you can use this feature. Now this feature is also applicable on everything. Like now the arrow is actually cutting it. Now I want to send it to the back and bring forward. Now you can see it is actually bring forward. That's why the arrow is in background now. Now if you want to change the text option also, now you have to use a different text box. Then only you will be able to do that. Now let me explain how you can do that. Text box. This is upside. Now let me fill color in spite of this. I will go with the yellow. Now I want this text box right here, but I want it on the back. Then for that I will go into the arrange, send backward. Now you will be able to see that actually I just sent this box onto back side. Now you will see something like this. Now you see this is how you can create forward and background. So apart from that, we have another option for alignment also. Now when you click on it, you will see there is no alignment option. But alignment option will work when you click on two options. Align will come. You can see it is a left. You can always arrange section, align, center. Now that depends on different things. Now let me explain. Actually, when I get this and when I just now I want to just select both of them. Now I want to make this as a main thing and this as a temporary thing which will move alongside according to this. Now go to the align, it's a left. Now you can see actually our the part that is just below actually move to the left. Now let me explain again. Move to the center. Now you will see it actually goes to the center. So this is how it works. Again we can write. Now you can see this. This is how it moves. Now again we will get back to the center. Now we will click on third thing and now the distribute section will open up, which gives us the option of horizontal and vertical. Now you will see this. distribute section. So in short way, you can see that when you want to open this align section, you have to select two objects. When you want to open the distribute section, you have to click and select three, at least three, minimum three objects. Then you will be able to see the distribute option. Now, when you click on the center of the page, you can see the horizontal as well as vertical option that is open for you vertical. Now you will see this. Now correctly, this thing is in center of our drawing. So you can use this feature. Apart from that, now let me delete this table. I will make this something like this. Now everything is ready. Now, when again I will explain you this. When I click on single thing, order will open up. When I click on double thing, the align will open up. When I click on three objects, the distribute will open up. Apart from that, center of the page is also open and rotation option also works. Likewise, you can make it for the 90-degree. You can rotate counterclockwise. You can do as per your desire. Apart from that, if you want to make changes in the rotation, you can do that from here as well. When you see just above this box, there is one dot. Just click on that dot. You will be able to rotate your to now it's a 270-degree. Now you can see that. Now I will just undo back, control Z, and apart from that we have a group option also. Now you will see actually these are three objects. Now I want to group them. What does the group work like? Let me go and group. Now when I click on it, you will see all the three objects will be selected. I won't be able to change anything. Now if I just increase the size, all the three objects will increase the size proportionally. Not only just one option will increase the size, all the three things will increase proportionally. Now if I again want to go and ungroup them, now I want to click on one of them each separately. Now if I increase, the changes will be disproportionately. Not everything will increase as per the grouping section, because grouping just clustered them and make them one object. Like you can see these are the three objects, but when I group them, these are called only one object. When I again ungroup them, these three again become differently three objects. And this is how this grouping and ungrouping section works. Now when I click on a single object, you will be able to see all the center of the page rotate. So I hope you have understood everything about how you can open up the order, align, distribute, center of the page section, and how can you use group and ungroup section. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in the comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good and amazing day.